Purchasing for a centralized warehouse in Business Central is quite simple, but we need to take care of a few things. So let's have a look. Now assume that the main location is the centralized warehouse for my demo company Kronos USA. Then we need to go to the company information, where we can set up the central location. So I will open the company information, and if you scroll down to the Shipping Fast tab, you can enter your centralized warehouse here in the location code field. And like I just said, let's use the main warehouse. So this is now my central warehouse, and if you want most vendors to deliver their items to the central warehouse, so in this case location main, then you need to make sure that these vendors don't have a location code set up on the cart. So let's go to the vendor list. And here you can see that none of my vendors have a location code. And this is very good for my example, because if vendors have a location code, Business Central will always automatically use that location, because the location codes of the vendor and the customer have the highest priority. So a higher priority than my central location on the company information. So, and that's why I need to make sure that these vendors that should deliver to the central warehouse don't have a location code. Let's make an example. So I will go to purchase orders and I will order from vendor 10,000. So Fabricam, for example. Next, I will enter a line, so we will order an item, and let's take the guest chair. And here we can now see that Business Central automatically suggests main. So, and we could just see that vendor 10,000 doesn't have a location set up, so this means that the location main has been retrieved from the company information. So, and that's how you can set up a centralized warehouse in Business Central and purchase for the central location.